Hello creators, and welcome to the Tom Kearin Video Bombshell Vault. This is where we pull timeless content from deep within the archives. The kind of content that hit like a bombshell then and is about to hit even harder now. These truths don't expire, they explode. Today, we're unlocking a truth so simple, so direct, so powerful, that it bypasses every obstacle you think stands between you and your dream life. There is no gap to close, no time to wait, no distance to cross, no conditions to meet. It's all you, and it's all now. The leap is instant. Neville Goddard didn't teach you to wish or wait. He taught you to assume, to embody the state here and now. In just 11 minutes, this truth can trigger the quantum leap that shifts your entire life. You don't need more time. You need only your assumption that you are already that which you desire to be. Because your reality isn't manifesting in the future. It's echoing who you believe you are right now. Now, let's open the vault and drop this one once again. Because its power to transform your life isn't behind you. It's flowing to you, through you, and as you, right here, right now. Today, on the Tom Kearin Channel, this brief video will not only challenge everything you think you know about manifestation and creating your own reality, but it will change your entire life. I am your host, Tom Kearin. This is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, good morning and welcome back to the studios of Be Something Wonderful and the Tom Kearin Channel. I have a big one for you today. We just released a massive video on the Be Something Wonderful channel that relates to what we're talking about today. Because the question was, Tom, can I change my entire life? Not just what's going on in my life right now, but my past, present, and future. I want to change it across the board. Who I was, who I am, and who I will be. An entirely new me, an entirely new reality. And here's the answer. Not only can you, but you are, in every moment, manifesting, creating, imagining, and assuming a new you and a new reality in every moment. This is the power that we are as I am awareness, as divine beings creating a physically focused experience here in time and space. You're changing all of it. Again, we talk about the teachings of Neville Goddard, where he talks about your I am awareness, or I am as your imagination. And that life can be whatever you imagine it to be, because you are already all things. You're already all identities. You're already all that is. You're already all images, past, present, and future. We talked about that in a big way this morning on the Be Something Wonderful channel. And Neville Goddard, the teachings cover this idea of revision, where if yesterday or the day before or 2 days ago or 20 years ago, or if your past is not the way that you would have liked it to be, not the way you would have liked to experience it, to imagine it, to revise it, how you would have liked it to be, how you would have liked it to experience. And he calls that revision. But it's all based on this idea, hear this, of who and what you're imagining yourself to be right now. Who and what you define yourself to be right now. Who and what you believe yourself to be right now. Who and what you are conscious and aware of being right now changes everything. It changes who you were, who you are and who you will be, because there's only now. The ideas of the past and future are just ideas. They're a way of us to make sense of that multi-dimensional infinite being that we are. This multi-dimensional simultaneous realities that we're experiencing here and now, where we are infinite beings, multi-dimensional beings, all that is, here and now. And to make sense of that, to experience ourselves as the supreme everything, everywhere, all at once being, we create this experience in space and time. We put space between events that we call time to create this linear, horizontal experience of who we are. But we're more than that, and remember, the past, present, and future gets created right now by your focus, by the vantage point, by the viewpoint that you have of yourself. That's the power of revision. And this particular creator said, I just want to revise everything. My past, my present, and my future. I want it across the board. Well, here's the thing. And he says, do I have to take event by event and go back and change this and change that? Remember, you don't go back. So who and what you define yourself to be right now, who and what you assume yourself to be right now, who and what you imagine and affirm yourself to be right now changes everything. It changes who you were, who you are, and who you will be. By your definitions of who you are in this moment, which you're defining yourself in every moment, it creates a horizontal, linear past experience or reality that makes more space-time sense to whom you're defining yourself to be right now. Same with the future. Who you define yourself to be right now, believe yourself to be right now, assume yourself to be right now, creates a future you that makes more space-time sense or time-space sense to who you're defining yourself to be right now. So here's the key. Remember, you're a multidimensional being. You exist in all possibilities, all realities, all images, all parallel alternative possibilities. So you're not here to change any part of all that is. You couldn't. All that is all that is. God is God. You can't add to God or take away from God. All possibilities exist. So when you revise or redefine who you are, you're not altering any one reality, any past event, or any present circumstance, or any future idea. You're choosing. Even the idea when you say, I am not this, or I am not that. Well, I am not, or the idea of non-existence doesn't exist by definition. There's only existence. There's only I amness. So what you're really doing is choosing something else. Whenever you say I am not, you're saying I am this. When you say I am not that, you're saying I am this. You're always choosing in every moment, so why not? Why not imagine yourself to be that person you've always desired you to be? That person that you want to be. Why not look at the past? Remember, when we talk about remembering the past, what is a memory? It's just a mental image. Everything, all of it, and all that is, are just potential mental images. So we call a memory something as a fact that exists, but it's just a mental image. All mental images exist. So you can remember yourself in any way that you desire. You're not limited to that physical experience that you believe are facts. Right? That's a possibility. You're not here to change that or eliminate it. You're here to choose. Choose how you want to remember yourself right now. That's the power of revision. Why not remember things as how you would have liked them to be, rather than how you believe you remember them to be? Memory is just a mental image. You can imagine the past how you would like it to be, just as easily as you can imagine the future as how you would like it to be. And perceive the present how you would like it to be. It's the same. They're all just mental images. You're dreaming and imagining it all from this current perspective, from this identity that we call I am. This I am awareness in this moment, right? So as you redefine who you are right now, as you decide what you believe to be yourself and your relationship to your world, You revise, you reimagine, you recreate everything. So rather than altering or changing any event in the past, present, and future, you're choosing an alternative. An alternative that exists all, and remember, in today's video on Be Something Wonderful, we covered it in a big way. So you can check that out. It relates to what we're talking about here. You choose who you are right now, and that changes. It creates this idea, this new horizontal linear past experience that makes more space-time sense to the identity that you're choosing to be right now. Creates a horizontal linear future experience right now in this now moment that makes more space-time sense to who you are. Remember, the whole idea of this past, present, and future is to make sense of the eternal now. This one moment, this one eternal moment or now moment. Remember, awareness is just another name for now. To make sense of that, we're all possibilities, experiencing it all at once. It's not about past lives or future lives or present lives. It's just all lives. You are all of them, one superimposed over another, with a certain perspective or viewpoint or vantage point at this moment, looking out through some viewpoint or vantage point or perspective. You get to decide it all. You're all of it. So not only can you change your life across the board, you are. You're revising, recreating, reimagining it, past, present, and future. Remember, the past is just a mental image. It's just a memory. And so when you revise, you're not changing any one image, any one possibility. You're choosing a new alternative. Same with the present and same with the future. It's all here and now. Your definitions, your beliefs, your assumptions of who you are here and now change everything. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, be sure to watch the other video on the Be Something Wonderful channel. It relates to this one. It's big. Also, join us for our live event if you want. That's on the Be Something Wonderful membership channel. We're going to have a live stream later this month on January 26, 2025 at 12 noon time. This is where during a live event, I answer your questions live on the chat as you ask them. And also answer questions that you send to us at info@besomethingwonderful.com. It's always a good time. It's always powerful. We're also working on more content for the Be Something Wonderful membership channel, really unpacking the idea of everybody is you pushed out, Neville Goddard's idea. And this is going to be a big video that will be on the membership channel as well this month. Stay tuned, creators. With great love, with great light, and infinite gratitude, this is Tom Kearin here at the Tom Kearin Channel in the studios of Be Something Wonderful. Until next time, with great love, with great light, infinite gratitude, we'll see you soon.